Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back another buying $1 Bitcoin every day update. Today is day number 411. So we're going to talk about the Bitcoin experiment and then a little bit of TRX DeFi. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that I use for this experiment to buy $1 Bitcoin every day. I also use it for tons of other things like payments, sending money back and forth to friends, things like that. But let's go ahead and hop to the investment tab. Stock market is down pretty big over the last month. Let's hop to Bitcoin. Bitcoin also down quite a bit over the last month, but I do think it is looking pretty healthy lately. It's really tough to say when it's this volatile. It was just at 9,500 a month ago, and then I think it hit below 4,000. So yeah, crazy movements lately in the markets. We're just going to keep dollar cost averaging this one. I currently have 0.056 Bitcoin owned. The last time I purchased was 9 days ago, so we have $9 of Bitcoin to purchase. And then from here on out, we're going to purchase $7 every Friday. Let's go ahead and tap buy. Tap the dots to allow us to type in whatever amount we want. Type $9, tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's gonna bring up our order details, and there is a little bit of fees now, 28 cents. We're getting $8.72 worth of Bitcoin for $9. You hate to see it, but what are you gonna do? You're gonna tap confirm. Just like that, we've got a little more Bitcoin. Let's tap done. Scroll down here. We now have 0.057 Bitcoin. We are 411 days in, and I have $379 in here. So I'm down a little over $30, not too bad, considering this is what the year looked like. So we did well when we bought back here, but everything that we've bought through this zone is pretty much down right now. So that's the nature of dollar cost averaging. Just gonna keep doing this over an extended period of time to see how it pans out. Now let's hop over to my desktop. We'll take a look at some TRX DeFi. Okay, so here we are. We're talking about Bankroll Network today. They've got all these different TRX dApps that basically allow you to earn dividends on your TRX. Instead of just holding it, you can put it into these contracts and earn dividends. So I've got 66,000 in credits. That's kind of my go-to, getting really good dividends on credits lately. And this one's very simple. You pretty much just swap your TRX for credits, and then you get dividends whenever someone interacts with a contract. I'm also in Daily Plus just a little bit, and these divs are pretty solid. It looks like the dividend pool keeps growing. People keep moving money from credits to Daily Plus, so that's actually a positive thing. You know, the more people move money around on the platform, the more dividends you're gonna get. I'm also in Bankroll Boost, which is kind of like credits for BTT or BitTorrent token. So the divs are really solid on this as well. It took me about 50 days to ROI. ROI means return on investment. So when you enter a contract, you kind of lose a little bit usually. And the goal is to ROI, and then once you've ROI'd, pretty much all the dividends you get are just profits. So I've just been collecting profits at this point. You know, I got 226 BTT there. They just keep coming through every day. I've also got 38,000 BTT in the wallet that I've been stacking up. And with these contracts, they're all pretty much the same. You can roll. That's gonna reinvest your divs into your balance, or you can withdraw that into your wallet right here. You know, Daily Plus will have the same sort of buttons, credits, same buttons. So these are all very similar. The dApps just have a little bit of variance. And one of my favorites right now is the Banker token, which is the house token for Bankroll, the Banker TRX Depot. So you can freeze your Banker, and it's gonna give you dividends every 6 hours. So 4 times per day you're getting dividends. And this one isn't a game. You buy the tokens from an exchange, you freeze them, and then you get dividends. These dividends actually come from all of the other games. So if we scroll down here, we'll see the dividend pool for the Banker TRX Depot. And a lot of these dApps here, these other dApps on the Bankroll network, are feeding into this Banker TRX Depot. So those keep increasing the dividend pool, and then the dividend pool drips to everyone that's freezing their Banker. So every 6 hours, I'm getting more dividends here. This is probably my favorite right now. It's probably doing the best for me. Pretty underrated if you ask me. I'm seeing really good returns here. And same thing, I can just withdraw these dividends. I can unfreeze my tokens, just go to the exchange and sell them. There's no games, no gimmicks or anything like that. But there you have it, some updates on Bankroll Network, the most solid TRX DeFi platform out there right now. Definitely consider trying this, especially if you're in like ETH DeFi or anything like that. seeing way better returns over here, I think. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Also, check out the Cash App playlist, the crypto playlist. There's hundreds of videos there if you want to see more. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard.